Good morning. Good morning. Oh, you're always smiling in the morning. Morning, guys. How you doing? Hi, Soph. Did you sleep well? You look like you slept well. Hand? What do you want? Alright. That thing is now officially out. She is officially done with this thing. The weight limit is almost reached. She's been napping in her crib. It's sad. It's over. It's not a baby anymore. Next thing to go, the exerciser. Doesn't open that way. Open. Close. Good job.
She was doing a whole bunch of things.
Yeah, she was doing that before I recorded.
Moving on. Moving on. Board. Next. Okay, dokie. Good to go. Mommy. Yes. Yay.
So I'm gonna go to get the Easter bunny today. Easter bunny for Dolph. And she's gonna wear that?
No.
I thought you said she was going to.
Oh, I was gonna do it for her.
Oh, for her pictures.
At home. I don't think she. What if she doesn't like keep it on? Then we gotta keep like.
I guess.
Over
I guess she might though. The Easter bunny might get offended though.
That's true.
She's like posing, you know. Creepy toy. Well, it's not creepy, but batteries are dying, so that's fun, right? You could put this in like a scary movie. It was like a creepy kid playing with this. Oof. Oof. Wow. Alright. Time to change the batteries. Roasted red pepper soup again. So what is in this again? For everyone else? Oh, she just sighed.
Peppers, garlic, onion, parsley, herb de Provence.
Herb de
wine,
Provence.
Chicken broth.
Ooh. And then
carrots, garlic.
Carrots, garlic. And then this all gets blended in the blender. And then we eat it as a bisque. It's like a bisque.
Careful, you got dough behind you.
I got dough behind me. Uh-oh. I think she wants to pull the towel down. Oh, is she having any?
I guess she could.
Really?
Is everything dead?
I don't know. We gotta think about it. Dolph? Pull the kitchen towel down. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, dokie. Okay, dokie, Dolph. It's snowing. I don't know how much it's supposed to snow. I haven't really heard much about it, so probably not too much. So yeah, check out this snow that I didn't even know we were supposed to get. Oh, whoa. So I think it's sticking pretty much to everything except the roads and sidewalks so far. I really don't think it's going to be snowing long enough to actually accumulate on the sidewalks and streets. But then again, I didn't even look at the weather. So who knows? Maybe this is a new nor'easter. I don't know. I have no idea. But I don't know. I really don't think anything big is coming because I would have heard about that. So I think it's just a little pretty snow you could look at, you know, drink some hot cocoa inside with a blanket, look outside. But we're going to head off to the mall because, oh, I didn't even tell you guys, we're going to take Sophia to see the Easter Bunny today at the mall. That's my new way of getting over that. Right, Dolph? You got your Easter Bunny shirt on? I just tweeted it. That's your bunny shirt. Bunny shirt. Bunny shirt. Get the gear. Get the phone camera. Oh my goodness, Dolphs. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzers. Oh, I can't get over this way because I'm a righty. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, look at that snow one more time. What do you think? You guys like it? It's snow, I guess. But anyway, we're gonna get ready to get going. Got Sophia's stuff all ready. Oh, she probably needs to eat one more time, I guess, I think, maybe, I'm not sure. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe you know? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Stuff in the mall. So I just went to the Easter Bunny and didn't quite work out.
Oh.
Did it?
I guess you should be.
Oh, he's a little dope. We decided to just get it anyway because it's a memory. We could always try again if we want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a picture of it. Okay, why are you so scared? As soon as we put her down on it, she started crying. And then they sent me with her to take a picture with her. And those were stupid. They don't really want me in it. But either way, she one of the pictures, she was like this. So we got the crying dope picture. Are you okay? Are you scarred? Are you happy now? She's good now.
Why is she taking her clip off? How's she taking it off?
I don't know. I think she learned how it works. How about we not chew on the plastic metal clip? The plastic metal clip. Metal clip in general. She's excited though now. She loves them all, I think. I think that's why. There's the Easter Bunny area. Right though? Yay, it's snowing! Yippee! Snow on me. Snow on a tree. Snow on the ground. Snow is snow. Wow. Oh! Easter time. Eggs. Chick.
They don't have egg.
Yes, still?
Egg cookie cutters.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, chick.
They probably have them at La Tabula.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
At the mall. We were just there. Arg. Arg. So Liz is gonna make some cookies or something because we're going to my dad's house. What are you gonna make?
I think I'm going to try to make those sugar cookies that are like flooded with icing. You know, they look like fancy.
Oh, okay.
I've never tried that before and I really...
In the shape of eggs.
Yeah, I've really
hopefully.
wanted to try.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good to Sophia too. Me too. Is she gonna have nightmares of the bunny tonight?
Aw, do you think?
Maybe. She might have nightmares
Do you
tonight.
think if we take her when she's in a better mood? I mean, not that she was in a bad mood.
No, she was in a good mood. She's looking at the ceiling now. I don't know why. What's
She's
there?
tired.
Oh, this thing.
Looked up
March
yeah.
31st, though. Okay.
Sophia, you know what my mommy and dad used to tell me? That the Easter Bunny comes in the middle of the night and hides my Easter basket.
Oh, like Santa Claus.
And I used to have to find my Easter basket. Like,
Oh, really?
my parents would hide it.
That's not really a thing, right?
I don't think so. I thought it was when I was younger, but
That's
I
cool.
don't think it is.
Works like Christmas then. In that
Well-
case, Tooth Fairy comes at night.
Yeah, but Christmas Santa doesn't hide your presents. Like,
Well,
they would
he
hide my Easter basket. Like,
He
I had to look around the
sneaks
house.
in.
Oh, yeah.
Tooth Fairy comes at night. Oh. Okay, Dolph. Easter comes at night. I mean, Easter Bunny comes at night. But anyway, that doesn't help her nightmares, does it?
No, it doesn't.
No. Snoring like a dope. What is that?
I don't know.
So cute.
She's very tired.
Yeah, we keep waking her up because as soon as she falls asleep, we're going in a store.
Yeah.
Or the mall.
I feel bad.
Or we're coming out of the mall. Or
So we're gonna bring her in a car seat in the salsaritas.
Yeah. The Mexican Salad Works. Right?
Yeah.
Mexican
Subway?
Mexican Subway.
It's a Chipotle.
Basically. I like it better than Chipotle though. I'm not a fan of Chipotle too much. Alright, so it seems like it stopped snowing. Nah, it doesn't seem like it stopped snowing. It did stop snowing. That's a fact. That is a fact. It is not snowing right now, so it's not even raining. It's all gone, it's all melted, blah, blah, blah. I guess it was just fun to look at before. Ooh, we just had dinner inside, and it was delicious, and Liz just went into, I forget what that toy store is called. I think it's called Toy Genius. For a certain toy that we wanted to get her as part of her Easter basket. Yeah, we're giving her an Easter basket. And yeah, just gonna hit up Starbucks on the way home, get a coffee, and get home, relax a little bit, I guess. It's not too late, I guess. 7 o'clock. Yeah, we'll see what we do. We'll probably watch some vlogs, feed a Dolph, even though she just ate. She'll probably eat one more time before we go to bed. And yeah. So I asked you guys a couple days ago if you think I should shorten my vlogs a little bit. I was thinking like 5 to 8 minutes rather than 10 to 15 minutes. But most of you are actually saying you prefer the longer vlogs. I don't know. I'll see. I think it'll just depend on the day. If it's an exciting day, it'll be 10 to 15 minutes. Possibly a couple minutes longer. A regular day might be 9 minutes. And a boring day might just be like 5-6 minutes. 4, 5, 6 minutes. That's probably just what it's gonna be. 'Cause some days are hard to do, like Mondays, because of work and school, and it's hard to get over 4 minutes of video. And then some days are just so exciting, it's hard to keep it under 20 minutes. But I'll try not to get it over 20 minutes, that's just too much. But yeah, I'll see what I can do with that. I need a coffee. Sophia! That really hurt.
What'd you scratch it on?
I have no idea. 4.
Did you spit up?
Sorta. Oh yeah, it's on the floor too. Awesome. Ew.